So today I want to show you a Gusto Payroll demo of their app so you can see some of the different features and benefits that the app has compared to the desktop version. So I'm going to just take you through some of these different settings you're going to see here on screen as we go through this. Now, if for any reason you do not already have Gusto and like what you see, I will have a link for you in the show notes down below that will get you a really nice sign up bonus once you run your first payroll with our special partner link. Now that link does help support us out so we can make free content like this, as well as content I'll show you at the end of this video to keep learning more about Gusto when it comes to payroll software companies. All right, so here we are on the homepage of our payroll account. Now we can see on the bottom left-hand side, the payroll tab is highlighted. It has that little bank icon, the piggy bank icon, I should say, on here. Now, when it comes to the mobile version versus desktop, there are some limiting factors, but honestly, if you need to be doing payroll on the go, because maybe you're traveling or just not able to get to a desktop before needing to run payroll, this is a lifesaver. I would definitely say that. They make it very easy, and if you've been using the desktop version, the mobile version will look fairly similar in its process. Obviously, things are just in different spots and how it functions, but I just wanted to give you this demo so you have an idea. We have separate videos on how to run payroll on your mobile device, so we're not going to do that in today's video, but just as a heads up, you can run your regular payroll. This demo account just has quarterly, but you could do it weekly, bi-weekly, anything like that. You have the options to be able to do your contractor payments. You can do non-US contractors, off-cycle payrolls, which changed a little bit, but nonetheless kind of the same. Same thing with extra pay payroll. Fixing any payroll, you could do this mobily now. And you can see you can request any corrections for benefits and then a few other little things as well. And you can even do next day if you absolutely need to do last minute, but you do need to have an upgraded account, which you could even do temporarily just for that one payment. I'm going to go back here just a little bit as well too, so we can show you a little bit more. Now they do have Payroll Bridge, which is also available on the mobile version. This essentially means that if you don't have the funds to pay your payroll, you can essentially get a line of credit. Now it is through a separate bank, but it is interconnected into Gusto, so it makes things a lot easier for you. And again, the fact that you could do it on the mobile app is really brilliant because again, you might be running around trying to continue your business and you might not have a desktop available right now. Now you could also check payroll history right over here. So you can see the last time you ran payroll, you could see non-US payrolls, activity logs. You get a lot of data still in the mobile version as you would on the desktop version. You also got your pay settings over here. So you could see how fast you're paying people, when things are showing up, what the bank account looks like. So you could still do all the nitty gritty changes from the things that you could do on desktop that you can do here on mobile, just a little bit more condensed, a little bit more, right to the point on what you need. And so if you keep scrolling down here, you could see pay schedules. You can change those. You can set up things a lot very similar to the desktop version. You have the time section over here. So this is time tracking. We don't have it available even in the demo account, unfortunately, to be able to showcase. But if you are doing scheduling, if you are making sure people are taking their time off, building up their PTO, requesting time off, that's all going to be here in the time stamp over here. So it's really simple and easy to, double check schedules, making sure people are, properly put into the schedules when they need to be there as well. And then if we go to the last tab over here, this is the people tab. You can actually add people even in the mobile app. Probably not as easy to do as it would be, say on your desktop and getting all the right paperwork put together, but you could definitely do so. You could check up on the onboarding and offboarding processes. So if you're bringing somebody on, double checking to make sure they have their paperwork signed or what's left for them to do. So you can reach out to them, having them complete things. You can edit, your profiles for your employees, whether it's their pay or the documents or their email address. You can do all of that directly here in the app as well. Now, those are all the icons over here on the bottom. So on the top right-hand side, you're going to see the profile icon. This is your account for your Gusto. So if we click on here, now from here, it's going to show your main account, but you can also switch to different accounts you might also be logged into. So if you run multiple businesses with different payroll accounts that are under Gusto, you can also switch directly in here as well, which makes it really nice. You have your profile information, your company information, any customizations. Now from here, you also have your plan and your billing information. And honestly, this is kind of cool. You can even change your plans directly in the app as well. So if you need to switch over to having that, next day direct deposit, or you need to upgrade some additional features or even downgrade, maybe you have less employees that you need, you can actually come in here and you can actually switch over your plan directly by clicking on change plan. and adding or taking things away right over here on the next section here too. That's brilliant. That's incredible that you could do this all from your app. Again, it's probably easier on desktop as a whole, but if you are on the go, if you need something simple and easy when it comes to managing your payroll. So honestly, the Gusto Payroll software app does a fantastic job of mimicking what you get on the desktop version. Obviously, it's more of a condensed screen, so it's a little bit more tedious to try to get to all the different things and do all the editing as you need to. If you can't actually get onto the desktop, this is a great supplement, especially for a business owner on the go that needs to do things right away and add or take away, maybe add employees directly, switch their plans, and run their payroll directly from their phone. It's a pretty incredible thing as well. So for me, I think this is a great add-on. There's no additional cost to doing all your payroll stuff on your app versus desktop. It's all included in every single plan that they have available for you. Now, like I mentioned earlier, if you do not have Gusto and want to go ahead and sign up after checking out all of these different features on just the app itself, I'll have a link for you in the show notes down below that gets you a nice bonus when using our partner link down below when you go and run your first payroll. And like I said, that does help us out to make more free content just like this. And speaking of free content, we actually got a plethora of content to teach you about using Gusto Payroll. I'm going to toss my next video right over here on screen so you can keep on learning more when it comes to using Gusto.